Kawasaki Ninja 250 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. For beginners stepping into the world of motorcycling, selecting the right bike is a pivotal decision that shapes their journey. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 has long stood as a beacon for novices, offering a seamless blend of approachable power, agile handling, and sporty aesthetics. With its spirited engine, learner-friendly characteristics, and iconic Ninja identity, the Ninja 250 holds a special place in the hearts of new riders seeking an exhilarating and controlled introduction to the motorcycling world. Lively performance and progressive power. The heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 250 is a zippy 249cc parallel twin engine that delivers lively performance with a gradual power curve. This engine strikes a harmonious balance between thrilling acceleration and a controlled power delivery, providing beginners with an exciting yet manageable ride. Agile handling for skill enhancement. The Ninja 250's lightweight chassis and responsive handling create a conducive environment for beginners to enhance their riding skills. Novice riders can confidently navigate city streets, corners, and various terrains while building a foundation of confidence and control. Iconic Ninja design and aesthetics. The Ninja 250 is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to sporty aesthetics. Its sleek fairings, sharp lines, and vibrant color schemes are emblematic of the Ninja's visual identity. Novice riders not only experience thrilling performance but also embody the spirit of sport-oriented riding through the bike's iconic design. Comfort-centric ergonomics. Kawasaki has meticulously designed the Ninja 250's ergonomics to prioritize rider comfort. The bike's upright riding position, well-placed handlebars, and comfortable seat contribute to reduce strain on the rider's body during both short rides and extended journeys. Advanced safety features. Safety is paramount, especially for beginner riders. Many Ninja 250 models come equipped with advanced safety features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, that enhance braking control and stability, offering novices added confidence as they explore their riding abilities. Entry to sport-oriented riding. The Ninja 250 serves as a gateway to the world of sport-oriented riding. For beginners who yearn for the thrill of high-performance experiences, the Ninja 250 allows them to savor the rush of speed and agility within a controlled and safe environment. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the Ninja series form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community opens the door to shared experiences, valuable advice, and camaraderie with fellow riders who share a passion for Kawasaki's sporty lineup. Room for skill growth. The Ninja 250 isn't just an entry-level bike, it's a canvas for skill development. As beginners gain confidence and expertise, they can continue to explore the bike's capabilities, progressively enhancing their riding prowess and pushing their boundaries. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Ninja 250 is not just a temporary choice but a stepping stone to a lifelong journey. The bike's adaptability, performance, and brand recognition ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Ninja 250 as they advance from beginner to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 250 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering an exhilarating yet controlled motorcycling experience for beginners. With its lively performance, agile handling, iconic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Ninja 250 offers an all-encompassing introduction to the world of motorcycling. By choosing the Ninja 250, novices embark on a journey of growth, skill enhancement, and excitement, becoming part of a community that shares their passion for sport-oriented riding and the pursuit of two-wheeled adventure.